Now, what I'm about to show you is a car I bought, I want to say November 2022. No, 21. It was 21. This car was created by Find 'em and Flip 'em, my partner Mac 10. I've been trying to get a hold of this car for quite some time. Talk to the youngster. He would say, no, it's not for sale. Then one day, it got hit. Then I got a phone call. Hey, OG, you want that car? I said, does it still run? He said, yeah. Where you at? I'm on my way. Get it to my area. Hey, we'll handle the rest of the financials. So this is the introduction of Lil Scrappy. This car is getting remade the way it is with some more added stuff to it, just tightening it up. So I'm in no way claiming that I created this car. I'm just going to make it better. What you're about to see is videos that took, what's the start of the video process of this car. It got put in the shop who just BS'd and BS'd and BS'd. It's been a year now. This is December. When the car went to the shop, it was in December of last year, of 2021. It's 2022 now. And the car, minimal progress has been made. It's been in paint gel for this whole time. I had to go get my car out and take it to another place that said they could finish it up. So this is the adventures of Lil Scrappy. Here we go. So, I say a new addition to the family.
Let me get the charger first.
So, let me ask you a question here. Man, tell me something about this car, man.
We got all the bells and whistles.
All the bells and whistles?
All the bells and whistles.
I contact the builders and they say, Rob, this motherfucker go hard to pay, Rob.
Definitely got the, hey, he definitely growling.
Yeah, he told me. I said, what?
He definitely look what he look like. He gonna do everything.
Yeah, Phil toned it down. Yeah, he said it was different carburetor on that was for the design and some different gearing. But
I kept dogging it.
Yeah, they told me about your techniques of non-driving skill, not really driving skill, just really not
taking care of it.
That's the word. We'll leave it at that.
Like I ain't gonna fucking
I know what you're saying. Oh yeah. So we're gonna flex this out so we can make this usable until we get it fixed. Quarter panels are on the back order. So when you gotta do what you gotta do, you gotta know what you gotta do. Let's see. Hey. You see what I'm saying? A little bit more. Okay. So now we done restored the sculpture of it. And now we can move the car around once we acquire the rest of the parts, because I reshaped the whole edge and got it back where it's survivable. Before, it was cutting the tire so vicious. Yeah, just getting in and out the driveway, vicious cuts. So yeah, we moving now. We got action. Gotta go. Some things you gotta do to make things right. I got this clogged drain up in here, and it's making water come into the car because that. I was in here yesterday trying to clean it from the inside with not much success. So I was able to get out, what did I do with it? This much of the dirt. And I assume it's that much on the opposite side over there. So I've already pulled one fender. Hell, I might pull the other one too. So front clip off this joker. Shoot some WD-40 on these screws here. So when it comes time to put it back together, it'll be easier. But yeah, let me clean this up out of here. Stay tuned. Well, it didn't want to cooperate, so we had to take the fender off. We'll run some water up in here until we get clear water coming out. Yeah, that part. So it's safe to say we can probably slow down on this technique and come back in, get the water out of that, and maybe the air vent will be functional again. We will see, but we don't need puddles in the car, because ever since I had this car, well, it ain't been that long, it was been a rainy season. I contacted the owner about it. He said, hey, we never drove in the rain. Well, there you have it. It was always inside, so they never saw this part of the game. So let's keep on pushing. Well, I didn't get a chance to take a picture of the holes, but it had some rust areas here and inside of here. This is a real tricky area where you cannot gain access to it and put it back together. So we chose to take the other route and just seal it in. So we're about to do a water test next. Add a little bit more here and see if we got a leak or not. Well, let's see. Uncover this side of the vent area. Put this right here. Okay. Wish me luck. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 10. Okay. Nothing. Okay. I see the oversplash from above, but as far as that, I think we're good.